I'm Natalia from HWC Chicago, and today I'm doing a demo of a kit that you got about a chickpea or a red lentil pasta with a tomato sauce, a creamy tomato sauce, and some zucchini. So it's pretty easy, but we are happy to have a demo for you. So in case that you have any doubts of how to do it, we are here for you. The first part is cooking the pasta. I have a little bit boiling water here, so I'm going to put the pasta in. And it says 5 to 8 minutes in the box. With gluten-free pastas, I recommend always a little bit more time because they tend to be a little bit harder. So it's the opposite to a regular pasta that you want to do less. Here, you want to cook a little bit more. We're going to, I add a little bit of salt to the water. So that's going to be there. The benefits of this pasta is that it's higher in protein and it's a little bit lower in carbohydrates. So a little bit higher in fiber as well. So more benefits for you. And that's a little bit of the idea of this pasta. So the next step is optional. If you happen to have a blender, that's completely fine. You just can chop the cash really, really small and mix it with your pasta. You will be completely the same process. But in this case, I happen to have a blender, so what I'm doing, I add tomato sauce. In this case, it's homemade, but you will also get a jar. Pasta sauce, completely fine. Most of the ingredients are only tomatoes, so it's not going to be that much different. And then I'm going to blend this tomato sauce with these cashews that they have been soaked in water for around, you can do it 3 to 6 hours, or you can do hot water in top of them, boiling water around 30 minutes. That will do it. And that's going to create a creaminess. So for all of you that maybe are lactose intolerant, don't want that milk, this is actually a really good way to think creaminess and flavor. Okay, now I'm getting ready. So I'm going to add the tomato sauce in the blender. Going to make sure that I got everything out of the jar, as you hope one. And then here I'm adding, in this case, some of the cashews. And I'm going to blend it. A little bit of noise. Okay, as you can see, now it's pretty. Okay, so in this case, I'm going to add the sauce here. In this case, I blend it all until I'm warming it up. You can actually do the opposite way. I just like to do it this way. Sometimes with the blender and the hot, sometimes you get a bit of, you can burn yourself. Now, when I'm waiting for that to warm up, I'm going to cut the zucchini. Okay? So the zucchini, to cut the zucchini, you want to take the ends. Oh, well, anything that has like a round thing, you can actually just cut a little bit of an edge, and then it will be flat. So then it won't move anymore. I put a paper towel under the board so it doesn't move. Now I'm going to cut it in pieces, and it's going to be delicious when we are adding it to the pasta. The other thing that you can do is if you have a spinach, kale, other vegetables, you can always add them, okay? More vegetables are always welcome. So I'm going to mix this a little bit, making sure that the pasta keeps cooking. And this is getting warm. The other thing that you guys can do is if you want, you can cut the pasta, the zucchini, you can cut it like a pasta, and you can make noodles. If you have spices, we add some oregano. I already add some to the sauce. You can add some salt and pepper. If you have basil, if you have pesto, you can always add. Those flavors go really good with the pasta. And you can always add some onion to cook it before. There's plenty of things that you can add. Feel free to explore. Cooking is a way to relax and connect with nature. So I encourage everybody just to have fun. Okay, now we have the pasta. I I put the water out, so now it's ready. I'm going just to plate it for you so you can see how beautiful plate of pasta is going to look. I'm going to put first the pasta, and now I'm going to add some sauce. Creamy tomato sauce with the zucchini and the cashews and all the goodness on it. And it's ready to enjoy it.